If you're getting the video card crash code FH C01 error in Forza Horizon 6, or the game is crashing when you try to launch it, or while you're playing, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several things you can try to fix this problem. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. First, open Steam and right-click on Forza Horizon 6. Go to Properties, then select Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification process to finish. Depending on your system and storage device, this can take a few minutes. Once the verification is complete, launch the game again and check if the FHC01 error has been resolved. If you're still getting the same crash, the next thing you can try is installing the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable files. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Download both the x64 and x86 versions. Install them one by one, and once both installations are complete, restart your computer. After restarting, launch Forza Horizon 6 and check again. If the game is still crashing with the FHC01 error, try launching the game without your controller connected. Disconnect your Xbox controller, Steam controller, or any other controller from your PC before pressing the play button. Launch the game and check if it starts normally. If the game opens successfully, you can reconnect your controller afterward. You should also check whether you have certain programs installed that could be conflicting with the game. In particular, check for Citrix Workspace, MSI Afterburner, and RivaTuner statistics server. If you have any of these installed, try completely closing or uninstalling them, and then launch Forza Horizon 6 again. Another important thing you should do is update your graphics card driver. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you fix the Forza Horizon